When it comes to repairing or replacing your roof, there's a lot of different factors. Typically on steep slope roofs, so a steep slope roof is anything besides a flat roof. Since you can see so much of the roof from the ground, a lot of times people, once a repair doesn't match or is very noticeable to where it would, in their eyes, devalue the property, a lot of times that's when they go ahead and replace a roof first repairing it. But in the flat roofing world, because you're not able to see the roof from the ground, it's a totally different situation. And we patch flat roofs a lot more than the steep slope roofs. And as time passes, if the patches, don't match, it doesn't matter. So typically with steep slope roofs, people do patch them, but sometimes you're not able to patch something if it's a shingle roof and it's too brittle. A lot of times we go in there and we try to manipulate some of the shingles. It damages others around it, so we go ahead and replace it all. So it depends on what kind of roofing system it is, whether you repair it or replace it. But with flat roofs, we try to, patch them as much as possible. And with steep slope roofs, whether it's a shingle roof or a metal roof, typically we patch them or replace them. A lot of times we patch them because we don't want the patch to be noticeable, or sometimes the material is too old to weave other material in there to try to lace it back together. So it just really depends. But a lot of times people just want to go ahead and replace it because it's got several leaks going on. Sometimes it's due to the matching issue or the repairability issue.